Some TPT products do much more than generate sales. They pull buyers into the store itself. And over time, those products become incredibly valuable. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for over 17 years, and one thing I know is this: certain products quietly create momentum across the entire store, not just inside one listing, across the entire store. Some products naturally attract more traffic, more searches, more clicks, and more new buyers. Those products often become entry points. A teacher discovers one resource, then starts exploring everything else. That changes how growth functions because strong entry point products can increase store visibility, buyer trust, related purchases, and repeat buyers. They create movement, and movement creates leverage. But weaker store structures often leave buyers stranded. A teacher buys one product, then exits the store completely. No connection, no next step, no pathway. Early on, I focused mostly on creating products individually. But then I started realizing certain resources were functioning very differently. Some products quietly introduced buyers to the rest of the store. And over time, those products became some of the most strategically valuable assets inside my store. Strong TPT stores usually do not grow through isolated products. They grow through strategic entry points that naturally pull buyers deeper into the store ecosystem. Some products are valuable not only because they generate sales, but because they strengthen everything around them. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so that you can make clearer growth decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to break down why some TPT stores feel incredibly easy to shop, while others quietly create friction. I will see you in the next video.